some question I explained yesterday. In which question you have problem, you will ask today. Let's begin. You have 12 questions in this exercise. Am I audible? Till 4th I have explained. Did you solve the 5th question? In 5th question, in the adjoining figure, AD is equals to BC and BD is equals to AC. Prove that angle ADB and BCA is and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA, and here we have a figure. In 5th question, we have this figure. Join these two lines. In this question, the name of this figure is ABCD. In this figure, it is given that AD is equals to BC and BD is equals to AC. You have to prove that angle ADB is equals to angle BCA and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Okay. What angles you have to prove equal? Angle ADB. Angle ADB. This is the angle ADB. Angle BCA. This is angle BCA. These two angles you have to prove equal. DAB. This angle you have to prove it is CBA. Okay. How can you prove these two angles equal? Can anybody explain? How can I prove? Very good. By proving the two triangles congruent. So first you write all the given values. Whatever is given in the question, you write given that AD is equals to BC and BD is equals to AC. Okay, it is given equal. You have to prove that angle ADB is equals to angle BCA and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Okay. Next, what we will write? Proof. By these two angles, we can say that these two angles are in this triangle, in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. So, in proof, take triangle ABD and triangle ABC. In triangle ABD and triangle triangle ABC, ABD and ABD. You have to take these two triangles. In these two triangles, AD is equals to BC. Reason, what is the reason? It is given. Good. Next is BD is equals to AC. Reason, given. Good. Now these two sides are given equal, and when we say about triangle ABD and ABC, we can say that this side AB is common in both the triangles. So can we write AB is equals to AB, and the reason is common. When the three values are equal, three sides are equal, so by SSS, triangle ABD congruent triangle ABC. It is proved. But you have to prove these two angles equal. So what you will write? By CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. By CPCT, angle ADB is equals to angle BCA. Angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Is it clear? When the two triangles are congruent, then we can write any value equal. Okay? आप two triangles को equal prove करके कुछ भी congruent prove करके कुछ भी equal लिख सकते हो. Congruent means they are exactly of the same type. Like Xerox. जैसे आप Xerox लेते हो तो जितना बड़ा आपका font size होता है, जितना बड़ा पेपर होता है, उतना ही बड़ा आपको photocopy मिलता है ना. Xerox वैसा ही मिलता है ना. It means that the two things, the things which we get after the Xerox or the photocopy, that is the congruent of the given paper. Okay? Congruence means exactly of same type. Okay? Now 6, can you solve? 7, 8, is there any problem till 8? 9, 10, in 10th, no problem. All the questions you can solve. Only 11 students joined this class. Only they will be marked present. Those who are attending the class, only they will be marked present, other will be absent. Okay, I am going to explain question number 12 now. You are not having any problem till 11? Okay, then 12th question. This type of figure is given. These two sides are equal. They are also equal. It is given that y plus 5. This is 30 or 35. It is 46. And this is 2x plus 5. Is everything correct? Give them name. A, B, C, D. You cannot write the angles directly. You cannot write the angles equal directly. First you take in triangle ABD and triangle BDC. AD is equals to CD. Reason given. AB is equals to BC. Reason given. And when we see these two triangles, then we can see that this part is common in both the triangles. So BD is equals to BD. Reason common. So by, these are the three sides, by SSS, triangle ABD congruent triangle BDC. So by CPCT, you can write the corresponding part of the angle equal. By CPCT, you can write the corresponding angles equal. Y plus 5 will be equals to 46 and 35 is equals to 2x plus 5. Get the value of x. Plus 5 will be minus 5. 46 minus 5, y is equals to 41. Plus 5 will be minus 5. 2x is equals to 35 minus 5. 2x is equals to 30. So x is equals to 30 by 2. It is 6. It is 15. Is there any confusion? Is there any confusion? No. So complete this exercise, and from tomorrow the new exercise will be started. Okay? Okay? You are not having problem in any question till 11? Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.